back, guys, and don't you forget to subscribe, press that notification bell, and leave me a nice comment. So today we're making a lemon meringue pie. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making my homemade crust first by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm going to work it until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. So I'm going to make a little well in the middle and add a little bit of ice water and just combine it together by just, squeezing until it forms a beautiful soft dough. And then I'm going to roll it, place it over onto my baking dish. You can also use a Pyrex, depends on what type of baking pan you have. Just place the dough in like this and just mash it, fix it, just to suit yourself. Once I do this, I'm going to use a fork, or you can leave it as it is. But I'm going to just use a fork and just press the sides in. Just like this. Once I'm done, I'm going to take a knife and just get rid of the excess pieces over the top. Place it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes after poking some holes, and then into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. While that is doing its thing, I have a saucepan. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch powder, and I'm also going to make sure I add some salt and then just mix it around, making sure that there are no lumps. Add 1.25 cup of water, and I'm talking about tap water, guys. All right, and just mix it, making sure that the cornstarch is all melted. Once I do this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And then place the pot right over the stove and let it come to a boil until it thickens. You need to do this stirring constantly. And it starts to thicken. You want to make sure that it is just smooth and nice. Look at this, guys, beautiful. Now I'm going to set this aside. And I'll start with my eggs. I have 4 egg yolks here. So I'm going to keep whisking them. And once I whisk them, I'm going to take the hot cornstarch mixture that I just take from the stove, guys, and mix it in with the egg yolk a little at a time. Whisking. You have to keep whisking. This is tempering the eggs, making sure that it do not cook. All right? So keep whisking. And you can either take the same mixture and pour it into the pot with the cornstarch mixture, but I'm going to take the mixture from the pot and pour it right over into my dish, which is going to help me to, maneuver the whole situation better. Now that it's all whisked up smooth and nice, I add some butter, let it melt, whisk it up. At this time, my pie dough is finished. You can bake it a little more, you can make it darker. I like mine golden brown. Place the mixture onto the pie dough. Once it's done, I'm going to set it into the refrigerator to set for about 30 minutes or until I'm done doing the meringue. So over here I have 4 egg whites. And I'm going to whisk it until it starts to froth. Then I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, adding a little at a time. And you want to keep whisking until it forms a stiff peak. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You can see it starts to change. And it's getting there, guys. Look at this. Now you can see that I have a very stiff peak. And this is what we're looking for. Place the meringue right over the top of the custard filling here. the lemon filling rather. And just make sure you take it all around the ends, just like this. At this time the oven is on, alright, 350 degrees. Once I spread it all over, I'm going to add the rest and just chop it up, making sure I get some nice peaks formed on top. So you just chop it up like this. Create some peaks, guys. Pop it into the oven and let it bake until the meringue turns brown and nice. This is so easy, this is so fun to make, and yeah guys, give it a try. In no time it's done. Look at how beautiful this pie is, guys. You want this to sit here until it's completely cool before you cut. Now that the pie is cool, I'm going to cut. And you can see that I have a very beautiful, oh my goodness, my crust is golden brown. It's not too dark, it's not too much of a light color. It is just beautiful. And here you have it, guys. Give it a try, enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.